Hey everyone, it's Andrew. As always, I hope you're doing awesome wherever you are. Just a couple days ago, my YouTube channel reached over 1,000 subscribers. I'm so appreciative for all your support, and I find it absolutely incredible to be able to interact with people from all over the world and be able to share a love of fitness and jumping rope. I've gotten so many great questions and touching comments since I started this channel. I'm absolutely delighted that you're finding my videos helpful and that you get some inspiration. And your comments and great questions inspire me to work harder and put out better content. The very first video that I shot was a double under tutorial, and I filmed it here on this roof. And about a month after uploading that video, I got a comment from a viewer, and he said that he wished that he could do double unders. And then about a month later, I got another comment from him, and he said that he was able to do 20 double unders in a row, and I saw some footage of him doing it, and I thought that was unbelievably cool. He followed some of the advice that I gave in the video, he worked hard, and then he was able to do something which maybe he thought he wouldn't be able to do. And then a few months later, I saw a video of him doing over 50 double unders in a row. And just recently, I saw some more footage of him doing double unders, and it looks like he'll be able to do 100 in a row very soon. How cool is that? So thank you for all your support. You guys inspire me. Thank you.